Hello, so today we got a 4-in-1 lug nut flip socket from Zoil. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it, but it ranges from, I believe, 19 to 21. Alright, we're gonna open this up and then we're gonna see how it works. Alrighty, so this socket by Zoil, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. So it's a 4-in-1 socket. It is sizes 21 and 17, and also if you flip it over, it's 19 and 22, and has an extension that you shove in there, flip it over, shove it on the other side. What else? Let's see. It is spring loaded. You could see it pushes back for the other size it needs to go. Well, you know, I will show you with these sockets. But yeah, it's a pretty nice socket. 4 different sizes: 17, 21, 19, and 22. Alrighty, so I'm gonna show you guys with a few different size lug nuts. I got a 21. Sorry, let me see if it focuses. The 21. Got a 19. And then I got a 17 lug nut. Alright, so back to the socket. It is spring loaded like I mentioned earlier. And I'm gonna put the 17 in here. You can see that. Fits right in there, like nice and snug. Got a 19. I gotta flip it over now. Put my 19 in there, nice and snug. And I don't think I got I got a 21. Alright. 21. Alright. 21. Gotta push in. Nice and snug. And now that you've seen that, let's put it in action. And I'll show you guys me tightening and loosening some lug nuts on some cars. So let's get to that. But one second before I go and show you guys. Sorry. Let me back up a little. If I remember correctly, the price on this socket set, it was 26 buckaroonies, if I remember correctly. You can find these guys on Instagram or on Amazon. That is where I got this socket. So yeah, now let me show you guys how it works.